Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will solve a problem related to algebra. The given problem here is if x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, then we have to find the value of x to the power 6 plus 1 divided by x raised to power 6. So friend, if you have subscribed my channel, thank you very much, and those who have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe my channel and like the videos. So let's start the video. So friends, for solving these type of problems, first of all we'll read the first part of the questions, and the questions given here is x to the power 2 means x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. From here we'll try to find in the form of x plus 1 by x. So if we'll divide the whole terms by x, if we divide the left hand side by x, then it will be x square minus 3x plus 1 divided by x. We have divided left hand side by x, therefore we will divide the right hand side also by x, 0 by x. Now if we will divide x square by x, this value x square by x, it will be x minus sign as it is given, 3x divided by x, it will be 3 plus 1 divided by x. So friend, we have solved the left hand side. In the right hand side, 0 by x is equal to 0. Now we will take x plus 1 by x left hand side. We will take minus 3 to the right hand side. Then our equation will be x plus 1 by x is equal to this minus 3 will go to the right hand side and it will be plus 3. So we will add 3. Now we will take this as equation 1. Now here you can see the power of x is 1, and here we have to take the power up to 6. Now we have to convert x to the power 1 to x to the power 6. For making power up to 6, first of all we'll make it square. Now if x is square, we'll raise the power by 3, then we'll get the x to the power 6. So friend, first of all we'll make square of it, then we'll make cube of the remaining part. So let's start here. We have x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now we will square both the side, then it will be x plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 3 square. Now here you can see friend, this is a plus b whole square type form, a plus b whole square. If we'll take x as a and 1 by x as b, then the formula of it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we'll write here x square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 by x plus 1 by x square. 3 square is 9. So now we'll simplify it. It will become x square. Now x and x gets cancelled, plus we'll write it this 1 by x square. This 2 will go to the right hand side and it will be minus, then 9 minus 2, it will be 7. Now we'll take it as equation 2, and this is square. Now for taking our desired result, we'll give this left hand side and right hand side also. Now here x square plus 1 by x square, we'll cube it, and right hand side also 7 cube. So friend, here you can say this is a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube. The formula of it is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. So we'll write it here. This is x square cube plus 1 by x square cube plus 3 x square 1 by x square plus 1 by x square now is equal to 7 cube, that is 7 cube is 343. So now we'll solve this x square and x square gets cancelled. So we can write here is, so x square to the power 3, the power will be multiplied, so it will be x to the power 6 plus 1 by again x to the power 6 plus 3 multiplied by The value of x square plus 1 by x square we have calculated here is 7. So we'll put 7 is equal to 343. Now we'll solve it. X to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6 is equal to 343. We'll take 3 multiplied by 7 to the right hand side. It will be minus 7 3 is the 21. Now we'll simplify. This will be 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus 2 2, and 322. Now here you can see the value of x raised to the power 6 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power 6 is 322. So friend, these are the simple steps. So friend, if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for this type of videos in current future. And share the videos amongst your friends so that they could also get benefited by the videos. Thank you for watching the video.